These notes are from Profitnama's NISM Research Analyst Guidebook. The link is provided in the description below. Now, let's learn about fiscal policies and their impact on the economy. Fiscal policy involves government measures related to its revenues and expenses. Government income primarily comes from taxation. On the other hand, government expenditure includes spending on education, healthcare, police, military, interest on borrowing, administrative machinery, and welfare benefits. Fiscal measures can significantly affect the economy by influencing aggregate demand, supply, savings, investment, and overall economic activity. One of the key components of fiscal policy is the fiscal deficit. This refers to the excess of government expenditure over its revenues in a specific year, and it is typically expressed as a percentage of GDP. Funding for fiscal deficits is usually bridged through market borrowings, both short-term and long-term. The impact of large fiscal deficits is significant. When the government borrows more, it increases the demand for credit, which pushes up interest rates. Higher interest rates make it harder for corporate borrowers to access funds, which can slow down economic growth. Another important factor is the current account balance, which is the difference between a country's receipts, like exports, interest, dividends, and transfers from abroad, and its payments, which include imports and other financial obligations. There are two types of current account balances. A surplus occurs when receipts exceed payments. A deficit happens when payments exceed receipts. The impact of a high fiscal deficit relative to GDP can be harmful to the economy, especially if it's caused by trade imbalances or excessive consumption. A high current account deficit, CAD, weakens the nation's currency. When the currency weakens, it makes imports more expensive, reducing productivity due to costly capital goods and commodities. A weaker currency also diminishes the nation's creditworthiness, which leads to higher borrowing costs. However, a depreciating currency can make exports more competitive, potentially narrowing the deficit. On the positive side, attractive investment destinations may see capital inflows, such as foreign direct investment, FDI, and portfolio investments. These can help offset the current account deficit and protect the currency from further devaluation. I hope you have understood this topic by now. If you have any confusion or need help, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format with cash-on-delivery options. You can find the link in the description below. Become a Profitnama member today to access all our website content and get doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Profitnama today.